Today we're making cheesy beef pasta, aka hamburger helper from scratch. So these are the ingredients that you need. I'm not trying to get sued, so we're gonna call it cheesy burger helper scratch pasta. I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out. Anyways, we're gonna just start off by browning our meat, of course. Now I don't know what I was thinking. I should have seasoned all of this in a bowl and mixed it together. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I was so tired, I was burnt out. So yeah, this is what we did. We added all of our seasonings and a little bit of the W sauce in so our meat is tender. And then while that is browning, we're gonna make our roux, because you know your girl loves a roux. And I just used that paprika and garlic season, a little bit of Parmesan cheese and some pepper, and we melt it down until, you know, we get a nice consistency. Once it's all cheesy, I'm gonna add in a little bit of marinara sauce. Now you can choose whatever tomato sauce you want. I personally am just not a big fan of tomatoes and chunky onions and things in my stuff. But then after that, we just mix all of our pasta and meat into our sauce, mixed together, and this is what we got. This literally took me less than 30 minutes. Like, yeah, this is what we talking about. A quick, easy, cheap little meal. Let me know what y'all think.